I'm Alexandra Crawford, California Realtor. Welcome back to another Neighborhood Spotlight video. Today I'll be focusing on the area of College area, highlighting local selling points, amenities, and much more. For people looking to settle down in central San Diego, you really can't go wrong with the College area. For the families with children, there are definitely your schools to choose from, as well as local universities, including San Diego State. For your typical foodie, there is a great representation of international cuisine. So for your Italian fix, you can visit Pesto, Italian Craft Kitchen. If you're a wing person, Dirty Birds is definitely your local sports bar that you'll want to check out. If you're more of a drinker, there's the Ugly Dog Pub. El Cajon Boulevard is also a commercial district, but it has a historical twist. There are also tons of fitness establishments to choose from for those who are more health conscious. And then you also have Montezuma Park and the College Rolando Library as well. So again, in summary, for those looking for a family-friendly area that's great for foodies and the studying enthusiasts, College area might be at the top of your list. Now on to area highlights for College area. The rental rate is 65% compared to that of 36% of the home ownership ratio. The current population is slightly over 58,500 people. There have been 337 recent real estate sales in the last 180 days, with an average selling price slightly over $703,000. In terms of the demographic data for College area, the overall cost of living is 11% less than the national average. The housing cost is 8% less than the national average. The entertainment costs come in 19% less than the national average. Utility costs are 14% less than the national average, and the crime rate is 4% higher than the national average. When it comes to employment, a fun fact to keep in mind is that the accommodations industry employs the largest percent of the workforce in the College area. That was it for my neighborhood spotlight video. If you want to learn more about the College area, you can visit the Explore Our Areas tab on my website. If you're thinking of buying or selling a home, I'd love to set up a planning call with you. You can give me a call or text me at 619-752-4177. You can also email me at ask@alexandratherealtor.com. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon.